ikaw?
Yeah, dagdag ko na lang, like, when you're working with great actors like TSR, and Kuya Ara, Ate Maylene, the Dean, like, everything just comes so naturally. Parang you bring out the best in each other. So, yun, parang walang pressure in that terms. Pero, isang malaking karangalan, yun yung pressure. Yung just working with all these great filmmakers.
You lift each other.
Yeah, and for me naman, parang we try to tell the stories just so that move to the audience, we like it. Tapos parang given our cast, syempre parang super happy and thankful ako to work with them. Kaya sana makusuhan yung way to be there.
Thank you, Direk.
Sa akin naman siguro, sa akin, natuwa naman ako that everyone is having fun. And I think doon sa kanila, mas lalong nawala yung pressure dahil sa gagaling nilang lahat, nagtutulungan sila. Ayan.
Maraming salamat.